In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit campaign Mailchimp. First, open your browser and head to Mailchimp.com. Once you're in your account, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base, and from here, you can jump into the tools you need to manage emails, audiences, and reports. Make sure you're on the correct workspace if you manage more than one brand, so you're editing the right content. Next, click Campaigns. You'll find it in the main navigation. The Campaigns area is where all your emails live, drafts, scheduled messages, and anything you've already sent. It's a good idea to glance at the filters and labels if your list is long, so you can quickly find what you're looking for without opening the wrong item. Now, select a draft campaign. Drafts are the ones you can freely edit without affecting anything that has already gone out. If you see a campaign marked as sent, consider duplicating it later if you want to reuse its structure, but for now, focus on a draft so your changes are safe and intentional. From the Drafts Overview page, click Edit. This opens the Campaign Builder, where you can review the essentials like recipients from name, subject line, and content. Even if you're heading straight to the design, it helps to keep the overall goal in mind, who you're emailing and what action you want them to take, so your edits stay aligned with your objective. Then, click Edit Design. This opens the email design editor. Here, you'll see your template and content blocks laid out in the preview pane with customization options on the side. Think of this as your canvas. Text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and social links are all available to adjust. Now, customize your design. Update headlines and body copy so they're clear and scannable, and replace any placeholder images with on-brand visuals. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand style, keeping contrast high for readability. For buttons, use concise action phrases and double-check that links point to the right pages. Add alt text to images for accessibility, and keep paragraphs short to improve mobile reading. You can drag and drop blocks to reorder sections, duplicate a block to reuse a layout, or delete anything you don't need. Use the Style panel to fine-tune global settings like background color and default font sizes. Take a moment to preview how it looks on mobile and desktop, and skim for typos or broken links so your message is polished and trustworthy. That's it. You've navigated to Mailchimp, opened campaigns, selected your draft, clicked Edit, moved into Edit Design, and customized your email with confident, brand-consistent changes. Keep your drafts named clearly so you can find them later, and you'll streamline your editing process every time.